Hello, traders. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever the time zone you are turning in from. You already know my name is AbuAG001. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you will be the first person to learn from this video. Please, I urge you to watch the video from the start to the end. You will gain one or two things from the video. And you already know we do our daily analysis to see what the market is giving us, to forecast what the market is giving us, to follow the trend of the market. So let's quickly dive into the chart, into the fundamental analysis. Maybe there is news before we can dive into the what into the chart. You already know what we do. Please and please, the gold we took yesterday does not go in our favor. So, but some trade went in our favor, while some trade did not went in our favor. So let's stay tuned. Let's follow the trend and stay tuned. So quickly, don't forget to and for those of you that my video, for all the subscribers, I really appreciate for pushing each other. And for those of you that my video just pump into your screen, please, I beg you kindly all press the subscribe button and notification button. Also, so I already know in the market we move again. We did not let loss kill us down. We let the loss to what to boost our morale. To boost our morale, sorry. And as for me, some say practice make perfect. But as for me, practice makes progress, because if you not practice, you cannot be progress. So this is a story. This will be a story for us. Seriously, this will be a story for us, since we are following the trend and we are aligning to the trend. So let's quickly go into the forest factory to see maybe there is high impact news. This is Forex Fast, and this is April 7th of April 2026, and this is what we are having. You can see, this is what we are having. There is no high impact news, unless this yellow means low impact news, and this orange means medium impact news. You can see, but sometimes they affect the market, but why sometimes they do not affect it? The one that affected the market is the one that with the red flag. With the one with the red flag is the one that has is the one that pushed the market very well. So since there is no high impact news, let's quickly move into the chart and see what the chart has for us. So you already know what we do. For those of you that you are using my signal, please kindly follow risk management. I beg, follow the risk management. You understand? And for those of you that are making profits, please, your boy need help. I need help, seriously. I'm using my foreignness competition demo account to push in, because I've reached drawdown, and I'm looking for money, because I used to put $10 every month to push. But this April month is get at the B. The $10 that I supposed to push, yeah, I did not. That's I use it for family something, family plan, family something. It's not family plan, but family something happiness. So this is why I'm not pushing life accounts this, but I cannot say what God cannot do for me. So God can say someone should send me $1,000 to be pushing myself. So I really appreciate it. Even $100, even say $10 I will appreciate. Thank you. So let's quickly dive into the charts. This is from gold. As you all know, we used to start from gold, and what good, let's see what good has for us. If maybe there is opportunity on gold. This is what is happening. This is what is happening. This is gold, and this is our swing high. You can see this is where the market is. This is our swing high. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low. This our swing rule, because you can see this FEG is from weekly FEG market mitigated. So since we have plotted our swing high and our swing low, let's quickly drive into the chart, and you can see on the chart what the market gave us. Market gave us break of structure, because this is another candle that break the structure. The market give us break of structure, which means this is another supply here. So let's go move to 4 hours time frame to see 4 hours time frame steady off. On 4 hour time frame, this is the internal break of structure. This is the main break of structure that data give, and this is the in 4 hours time we have internal break of structure. And as for me, this is a liquidity swap because you can see this is the first week candle that I said it, and this one's quickly go into it. So let's see what we have now. This is the break of structure. As for me, this is the break of structure, and this is the supply that give us this break of structure. But market break hit. Market has broken it. Market has broken it. As for me, it has turned to change of character. This is an internal change of character for me. And this is the other block that gave us this. But this is the main demand that gave us this one. So let's see what is happening now. On 4 hours time frame, this is the way other block the market is mitigated, and you can see this is what the market is giving us. Market is giving us uptrend fives, uptrend fives. So let's move to 1 hour time frame to read the structure on 1 hour time frame. You can see after market mitigated this other block here, and this is what the market is giving us. As for me, this is market shift. This is market structure shift. After market structure shift, I'm expecting the market to mitigate here to continue the bullish. But this resistance is from 15-minute time frame. Since you are seeing the trend, this is what the trend is giving us. So what we just need now, let's move to 15-minute time frame to see the structure. Since the structure of 1 hour is not clear, so let's move to 15-minute time frame. You can see this is 15-minute time frame. This is the other block of 15 minutes because market give us was break market give us a break of structure to downtrend, and this is the other block. The other block has turned to what? Has turned to resistance because this is the first touch. You can see it pushes back, but it couldn't break this. It couldn't break this is an ability. This other block is not what? It's not valid, so it has turned to resistance. So this is market shift. After market mitigated this way, it's trying to push it to this resistance again, but market couldn't broke this resistance. So let's now read the structure of the market now. We are having break of structure here. We have first FEG. This is the FEG I was expecting the market to push yesterday, but market couldn't push it yesterday. This is the FEG we are expecting the market to push yesterday, but market couldn't push it. This is the second FEG. You can see we have on this other block we have break of structure here. Internal break of structure. This is the first break of structure. This is the second break of structure, and this is the stuff we are expecting to buy. But what market is doing now? Market is giving us this is what the market is giving us. As for me, this is break of structure. This is change of character, but let's read this structure very let's read this structure very well. This is where the market is. Let's say this is liquidity sweat for me because this on 15-minute time frame, this is liquidity sweat for me. This is liquidity sweat for me. You can see the first candle is say this place, and the second one quickly go back into it, and this has turned towards liquidity sweat for me. What we now have now, let's just read the structure now. This is what I'm seeing now. As for me, this is break of structure here. You can see this is break of structure here. And let's find this other block that gave us this break of structure. This other block that gave us this break of structure. So this is the candle now. This is the other block now. This is the candle now. So on 15-minute time frame, we are having change of character here. Sometimes I don't used to use 15 minutes, but so when there is no opportunity, when there is no market, do not create opportunity on 1 hour and 44 hours, I used to use I used to use 15 minutes to join the market. But if market created 1 hour and 15 minutes, so I don't used to bother myself to what to be taking trade on 15 minutes anymore. I will just wait for that 1 hour and that higher time frame. And what we are having now, this is change of change of character. So let's just read the structure since this is change of characters for me. But what we are having now, we are still in uptrend because this is a break of structure here. So we are still expecting the market this to be broken because we still have what we still have FEG, we still have opportunity up that we can see. We still have opportunity up there. So that is why I'm still expecting this. I mean, if you can see on 1 hour time frame, we still have what we still have FEG, and this place just serve as what this will also have as liquidity. You can see the FEG. So that's why I'm still expecting the buy. I'm still expecting the buy, and let's say we are buying from here because this is another block for me because it's the one that give us what it's the one that give us yeah, because in that other block you can didn't change of character. We have what we have internal break of structure here. You can see internal break of structure. So internal break of structure. This is internal break of structure. Because market structure shift is when liquidity swept. So this one is just internal break of structure. If you want to say market shift, this is a market shift for us. The market mitigated it again, continue double trend. So I'm expecting the buy from here. This is the other block I'm expecting the buy from because they can see this place. Liquidity has already swept. The market has already swept this liquidity also. You can just see this place as market structural shift also. Yeah, market structural shift because liquidity has already swept here. So this is all because it give us what? It give us other block. So let me place this trade on my demo account, my demo live account. Let's see if this let me use 1 point. Let me use I'm still expecting the let's see market will first reach this resistance. So if we see any opportunity that resistance broken, retest and continue the uptrend. That is what we are doing for. That's what we are doing. This is what I'm seeing on gold. So let's move to silver. Let's see what silver has for us. This is silver also from daily time frame. This is our swing high here, and this is our swing low. You can see this is FEG, weekly FEG. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. On 4 hours time frame, you can see this what FEG is. This is a liquidity sweat on 4 hours time frame for us. This is a liquidity sweat for me. After the liquidity sweat, it give us this is what this break of structure. You can see this other block. But market couldn't break it. It come back. Market was go back again, and the market has give us a change of character here. This is validation of character, and this is what change of character other block because we have what an internal order block here, and market has mitigated here. This is where the market is. This is where the market is. So let's move to since we did not see structure, but we have known on higher time frame that what we are in uptrend. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what 1 hour time frame is giving us. This is what 1 hour time frame is giving us. These are liquidity sweats for me. So this 1 hour time frame is not giving us structure that we want. So we got to move to 15-minute time frame also to see what we want on 15-minute time frame. On 15-minute time frame, this is the last internal break of structure to downtrend. After we react to that block, that is the reaction to that was to downtrend. You can see internal break of structure to downtrend. And what I'm seeing now, this is an liquidity for me. This we can do. This week candle shape this liquidity, and this second candle quickly come to the body, and this is what this as for me, this is what this is market shift. After market shift, market give us what change of character, and you can see that change of character. After change, it give us other block here. After giving us other block here, this is an FEG that I'm expecting the market to continue the uptrend. So now I'm still expecting the market to give me uptrend. Seriously, I'm still expecting the market to give me uptrend. But if you want to take this trade, definitely we are in uptrend. But if you want to take this trade, you can let the market broken this higher high, this last higher high. After market broken this last higher high, definitely market will retest and continue the uptrend. But your what? It will be what? It will be large. Your stop loss will be large and your take profit will be here. This is what I'm expecting. I'm still expecting uptrend. This is what I'm still expecting. I'm still expecting uptrend. But as for me, market has broken this high here, internal high here. So market will just broken this place, broken this, and continue the uptrend. But if market want to come back, definitely it's coming here because there's FEG here, there's FEG here. So definitely market is coming to this FEG here. We have FEG over there. We have FEG here. So this is what I'm seeing. If market does not respect this, so market will go just come sweep this liquidity, come to this FEG and continue the uptrend. But let's see what the market is trying to do. This is what I'm seeing on gold on silver also. So let's move to US 30. Let's see what US 30 is trying to give us. Let's see what hope you like the background, this background I'm in. So let's see what US 30 has for us. US 30. This is US 30. This is our swing guy. This is our swing guy. And if you read the internal structure, this is where we are. This is the last break. This is the break of structure, previous break of structure to downtrend, and this is the last recent break of structure to downtrend, and this is the supply. Market mitigated this supply, but this supply couldn't give us what? Couldn't give us downtrend. So market is in that supply zone. So let's see if that supply is broken. So you can see it has turned to resistance. If the supply is broken, definitely we are in uptrend, but we are still market is still what? Is still in this supply. So let's read the structure from 1 hour time frame. Let's read the structure from 1 hour time frame, because what market is trying to give us we not clear, but we must be patient in this zone. We must be patient in that zone because market is in zone. So we guys be patient. We guys be patient. This is what we read yesterday, but market couldn't give us another opportunity. So let's just focus on this trade here, on this trade. This is what we read yesterday. This is the break of structure, change of character. We are expecting the market after market mitigated this place, so this liquidity over here. We are expecting the market to come back, but market will put us to come back here. This FEG market we expected here. You can see this is the zone market respected here. It's country is coming, is good, but we guys be patient. We cannot take any trade. As for me, I don't want to take any trade inside this structure, inside this zone, because market is in zone and I got move away from from this market, because this market is not creating structure that we can say that we are in uptrend. But yes, but we got if you see any trade like this, we got to move away from the trade. We see a change of car, we see a market broken this so this resistance. Definitely the market has turned to uptrend. But as for now, we got to move away from the market. I do not see any opportunity. So let's move to GU. GU. This is GU. This is GU. You already know what GU is telling us. This is our what string high, and this is our swing low. This is our last break, recent break of structure, and this is our previous break of structure. So definitely we are still expecting the market to maybe downtrend, because you can see this is last break of structure, internal break of structure to downtrend, internal break of structure to downtrend, and this is supply. So market has not touched this supply. So market is in this place. Is in between this It's in between this swing high, swing high and swing low. You can see this swing high and the swing low, this internal swing high and swing low. So let's move to 4 hours. Let's read the structure for 4 hours. This is the structure for 4 hours, but market on daily time frame, you can see market mitigated this FEG. It's only this FEG market mitigated. But as for me, this will serve as liquidity for me. Let's see if this week are the same thing. They are not the same thing, but let's see what market is trying to do. So on 4 hours time frame, this is what I'm trying to, this is where I'm trying to, after market mitigated this opportunity, this place. So market does not give us structure. So we now go to 1 hour time frame. This is where we see change of character on 1 hour time frame, and this is where we see the other change of character other block for here, which means I'm still expecting the market to sell since we are in a sell on daily time frame. But as for now, if you want to take this trade to mitigate this place, so we guys take these are break of structure here. You can see these are break of structure here. These are valid break of structure, and these are market has already mitigated this other block self because it's the one that give us the FEG. That is the other block. So let's move to 1 hour, 150-minute time frame to see how we can take the trade on 50-minute time frame. But on 50-minute time frame, let's redefine the trade. So man, we are still expecting the market to come down on 50-minute time frame. This is where we can take our buy on 50-minute time frame. If you want to take the buy on 50-minute time frame, this is where we can take the buy. If you take the buy on 50-minute time frame and our stop loss will be here, this is this is what the market gave us. But we are still expecting the sell though. This way we are expecting the sell, but the sell has not what? The sell has not happened. So we guys be patient for the sell since we know that we are selling. So on 50-minute time frame, this is where we are buying the market. Let's just buy the market from here, and our stop loss will be low under here. So let's take profits here. Our take profits will be there. I think 1:2, is this one. So let's see what the market is trying to do. You can see what the market is trying to do. So let's just stay for this to take this trade. Hey, sorry. This is the trade. This is the opportunity we are seeing on GU. So let's move to EU. Let's see the opportunity on EU also. This is on EU also from daily time frame as usual. As usual. This daily time frame. These are recent break of structure. These are previous break of structure, and these are our swing high. These are our swing low. But these are previous market shape. This recent swing low liquidity. After market swept it, it mitigated that previous demand zone. So this is what we are having. This is the last break of structure on to downtrend, internal break of structure. This is our resistance. This is our supply. But this supply couldn't give us what? Another supply. So this has turned towards resistance market. So this has a resistance zone. Sorry, resistance zone. So this is our resistance zone. Let's just read this resistance zone. And on resistance zone, we are seeing change of character here. But let's now move to let's now move to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hour time frame, sorry. Let's move to 1 hour time frame to read the structure very well. This is 1 hour time frame, and this is what the market is trying to do on 1 hour time frame. This break of structure to downtrend. You can see the break of structure to downtrend. These are recent break of structure now to uptrend. Sorry, I'm saying to uptrend. I'm saying downtrend or uptrend. And this is the internal break of structure now. After this internal break of structure, we are having what? We are having other block here because this is the last red candle that give us FEG. So we are having other block here. So let's move to 15 minutes to redefine that other block for us. to take the trade. Yes, you can see this is the 15 minutes. So we are expecting the market, we are expecting the buy from here. And our stop loss will be here. So this is what the market is. This is the vibes. This is the vibes the market is giving us on what on EU. And our take profit will be here. So this is the vibes. This is the vibes the market is giving us. We are in uptrend. So let's take this uptrend before we can take this downtrend. You can see the vibes. So definitely we are what we are buying before we can sell or what on EU. Let's move to UJ. Let's see what is happening on UJ. Let's see the opportunity UJ has for us. From daily time frame, also as usual, this is our swing high. This is our swing high. This is our swing low. This is our previous break of structure, and this another recent break of structure here. Sorry, recent break of structure here. So after mitigated this, after market has not mitigated this, I'm expecting the market to mitigate this demand before we can see opportunity to uptrend. But what market is giving us is not far anymore. It's not far anymore. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what is happening for 4 hours. This is 4 hour time frame. As for me, you can see I said there's FEG here. If you want to take this downtrend, because let's read the structure now. All this trend, this is the you can see this is internal break of structure, internal break of this internal break of change of character. This internal structure, I cite it as liquidity. The market mitigated this, expected this continue the uptrend, but I'm expecting the market to mitigate this demand because this demand where the buyer enter the market. So let's see if this demand is still valid because all these ones are liquidity for me. Market is going to sweat. So I'm still expecting the market. This is change of character, and this market is in this other block. But I'm seeing this as what? This as liquidity for me because that feed pattern has turned to what? Has turned to resistance. Which liquidity? It has turned to resistance. It has turned to resistance, which liquidity is going to sweep. So I'm expecting the market to mitigate this FEG before I can see the downtrend. The reason why I'm still expecting the market to mitigate this demand is because all these ones are structure market it does not concern us. Maybe market is the or market has mitigated or mitigated. All these ones are liquidity market leave. So unfortunately, I'm still expecting the market to come down trend to mitigate or it's only this demand that give us that we are what we are in buy. But if this demand give us that we are in buy, break the structure. If this market break the structure now, definitely we are in buy. But as for me, the reason why I'm still expecting the downtrend because this is FEG for me. This is an valid FEG for me. I'm expecting the market to mitigate before we can see the trend. So let's just continue. Let's remain clean all this internal structure market give me. So this is resistance. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. As for 1 hour time frame, you can see all these places serve as liquidity for us because you can see there's still FEG on 1 hour time frame. There is still FEG on 1 hour time frame. There is still this is the break of structure. You can see this is the break of structure and this is the other block, but there's still FEG on this 4 hour time frame. So let's follow this 4 hour time frame. If we can see the up downtrend now, but if there is no downtrend, definitely we are going to buy. But this is the way demand I'm expecting the market. All these things are as liquidity for me. I'm still expecting the demand, liquidity trend line. So I'm still expecting the market to push it down before you can see the buy seriously. But if the market give us structure if the market break of structure for daily time frame, definitely it will continue the buy seriously. But as for me, as for now, let's see where the market is selling. Let's see GU, let's see what is happening on GU. I think market expected our analysis yesterday. GU went in our favor. So let's see what GU has for us now. This is daily time frame. So this is daily time frame, and this are what this our swing high. This is our swing high and this is our swing low. This is the demand that respected the market first. And you can see, as for me, these are liquidity market sweep. You can see this we can do sweep all this liquidity. These are liquidity market sweeps. And this is the last break of structure. This is the last break of structure, internal break of structure, because market is in what the swing high and the swing low. This is internal break of structure, and this place will start as liquidity for me. So definitely I'm expecting to market to sweep this liquidity before you can see another down trend, because this is liquidity swept here. So let's see 4 hour time frame. Let's see what is happening on 4 hour time frame. Sorry for that. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what I'm seeing on 4 hour time frame. After market expected this place, I think this trade is for 1 hour time frame. So let's see. This is what break of structure. This is internal change of character. This is an liquidity sweat for me. They can see this is a liquidity. So let's just see what market has for us. Since we have taken this trade, since we have taken this is from 1 hour time, from 4 hour time frame, we are having what internal break of structure here. You can see the internal break of structure here. This that is an internal break of structure. You can see this is an internal break of structure. This is a valid internal break of structure. But we are having FEG here. This is an FEG for me. We are having other block here because there is FEG over there. We are having other block over here on 4 hour time frame. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is telling us. This is 1 hour time frame. This is the trade we took on 1 hour time frame yesterday. This is the trade we took yesterday. This is the FE, where the FEG is. This is the trade we took yesterday. So let's see. So I'm expecting the market. We are expecting the market to come here because you can see this is FEG. This is the red candle, and there is FEG on 4 hours time frame. Definitely, this is where I'm expecting another buy. I'm expecting another buy from here, and our stop loss will be here. Will be below this liquidity, and our buy will be here. This is where our buy is, and our take profit will be here because there is another opportunity over there. So let's see if this market. Let's see if this market is still continuing the uptrend, because this is an liquidity for us. This is an liquidity. This is an liquidity for us. So we are expecting market to mitigate this supply before anything. So let's see what the market is trying to do. On 15-minute time frame, let's read the 15-minute time frame. On 15-minute time frame, market has mitigated here. This is where the market is on, because it is last break of structure. So market may respected this 15-minute time frame. Market may respected that 15-minute time frame. But let's see what 4 hour steering is entitled of. But if you see another break of structure, because this is on 1 hour time frame, this is break of structure on 1 hour time frame. This is other block. On 1 hour time frame, that is other block for us. That is other block on 1 hour time frame. And this is change of character, break of structure on 1 hour time frame. This is valid break of structure. You can see. So if you want to take the, let's see, 15-minute time frame. Let's redefine this trade on 15-minute time frame. This is the trade. Let's redefine it. So let's go for a 5-minute time frame. If you see break of structure 5-minute time or change of character 5-minute time, definitely we are taking the uptrend. But as for now, let's see if the market is controlled. But if this does not respect it, definitely it's coming to this where the FEG is, this other block FEG. So the market is coming to this other block, this 4 hours FEG. So let's see what the market has for us. So let's see what BTC, crypto and Ethereum has for us. BTC, sorry, I say crypto. Crypto has for us. So let's see what the market has for us. From daily time frame, you can see where the market is. Market is in between this again. This is where market is. Market is in between this zone. You can see this is where this is the major where minor where market. The market is in between the zone, and this zone is giving us what break of the downtrend. This is the what? This is the last. This is the supply zone. The market has not broken it, so definitely let's move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what the market is trying to give us. This is what the market is trying to give us. Because on 4 hour time frame, let's read this structure. This is the last break of structure on 4 hour time frame with full body candle. Internal break of structure. This is the this is what this is market shift. This is what market shift for me. This is the market structure shift. You can see. So market came back to it. So let's read this structure now. This is an odd opportunity for us. This one. But our stop loss will be large. That is the problem. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see the opportunity 1 hour time frame created. This is opportunity 1 hour time frame created. This is the last break of structure. But market could respected it. You can see. So we are in what? This is a downtrend because this we can do has already been swept with liquidity. This weekend has already been swept with liquidity. So to take this trade, let's move to 15-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame. This is market shift. Market structure shift. So definitely the market is coming. So the market is coming back. So this is an option. This is an downtrend. If you want to take this trade, you can just take this trade like this. Let market broken this place, retest and continue the downtrend. If you want to take this trade, you cannot take this and our stop loss will be what? Here. So take profits here. 1:1. That is 1:1. So this is what I'm seeing. Let's 15-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame. This is market structural shift. You can see. This is market structural shift. Market mitigated this supply. So this is a break of structure to downtrend. So let's see what the market is trying to do. But this is where the opportunity is. Let the market broken retest and continue downtrend. This is what I'm seeing. Let's see Ethereum. I think Ethereum is in downtrend. Ethereum is in downtrend. You can see Ethereum is in downtrend already. Let's move to let's start from daily time frame. This is what daily time frame is trying to tell us. You can see this is what daily time frame is trying to tell us, and this is the last break of this is the supply. And for me, market came back to it. I will say market swept this liquidity, market swept those liquidity here and continue downtrend. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is the 4 hour time frame. This is an liquidity swept. You can see this is a liquidity swept. So let's see what the market is trying to do. Let's move to, since we do not see structure of 4 hour time frame, let's move to 1 hour time. 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. After liquidity sweep, this is an market shift for me. You can see the market shift. Market mitigated this. So let's say this is a change of character. No, this is a change of character. This is a change of character. This is change of character for us. Entire change of character, and we are looking for downtrend. Let's say market should break this structure, retest, and continue the downtrend. This is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. Our stop loss will be here. So this is what I'm seeing. We are selling on Ethereum also. We are selling. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. Let's see what the 15-minute time frame is telling us. This is 15-minute time frame, and as for me, this is market shift. So we are selling on Ethereum also. Ethereum too is telling us that we are selling. We are in sell. So let's just sell the market. Let's set the market down. Okay, fam, this is what I'm seeing on crypto also. So kindly don't forget to use proper risk management to take the trade. So definitely this is our opportunity, and let's see what the market has for us. So have a have a successful day ahead. Have a beautiful day. Have a successful day ahead. Peace and love. Thanks. So stay tuned. I I will still drop another video about, let's say, about the basic forest. So I dropped one yesterday. Kindly don't forget to go and watch it. So I'm going to be doing basic. Yeah. I'm going to be doing basic, another basic today. So I dropped one yesterday. So I've dropped one yesterday. So I'm trying to drop another one today. So may God give me the strength. Thanks, peace and love. Have a lovely day. Have a successful day ahead. Have a successful, profitable in your trading journey and in other skills you are doing. Peace and love, please. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button. Thanks.